obviously we know what upcoming in the derby and what a big match and an important match that is. But our mentality is just to concentrate on the day ahead, and that's to concentrate on today's training session, make sure that it's a quality training session. We achieve our objectives in the training session, and then tomorrow our objective is to have a good performance, to ensure that we keep continuing to improve each and every day, each and every match as a team. And by doing so, we build the capacity to be able to challenge and be competitive in every other match going forward. We've settled in nicely in Zanzibar, had a nice tour of Stone City yesterday to just get some history and cultural experience in Zanzibar. It was very nice. But yeah, we're here for the main reason is to challenge to win the cup. Our opposition are a good team. They've shown that they've been a successful team in Zanzibar, having won the league title on many occasions and recently having success in the Mapinduzi Cup. So, and obviously having beaten Singida, they're a good team. So our preparations have to match the challenge that we have tomorrow evening. But the team is in good spirits. All the players are available. We had a good post-match training yesterday. We'll have a good training session this evening. And we'll ensure that we prepare as best we can to give ourselves the best chance to advance to the final.
Kuweza kufanya vizuri kwa sababu nia yetu ni kuweza kuchukua ubingwa huu kwa sababu malengo ya timu na kama mwalimu alivyozungumza hapa tumekuja kushinda hiki kikombe. Kwa hiyo tunatambua Mlandege wana timu nzuri na tumeona mechi iliyopita wamecheza vizuri, wameweza kupata matokeo ya kushinda, lakini na pili sisi pia tuna kumbukumbu nao, walishatufunga hapa na tunatambua pia wakiwa katika uwanja huu wanacheza vizuri. Kwa hiyo tunawaheshimu, lakini sisi kama Simba Sport Club tumejiandaa vizuri kuja kucheza mpira wetu wa siku zote ili kuweza kushinda ubingwa wa Muungano.